Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. I'm a Prife International independent business owner. This is just my ID registration badge from the very first Prife convention that was held in the United States in 2022. If you want to reach me from anywhere in the world, and you'll see behind my office wall there is a nice picture of all the continents of the globe. I do business all over the world with Prife. I lead people as their team leader to earn income, and I also sell devices to just people that want to be a customer only. You can reach me because I am going to be in South America on my Telegram at 1-360-383-0265. So right here in the bottom of the bottom left, my name, you'll find me t.me/Daniel Parsons, and that's a P like Papa. So I want to share with you some exciting news. It's the 8th of December, 2023. Prife has updated the server, and there's a Christmas promotion till the end of the year. Now, just want a quick reminder. So you want to have your orders in by early Sunday morning, the 31st of December, because once 8 o'clock in the morning Pacific time happens, that's when the Prife server in Malaysia kicks over to the new year. So I cannot guarantee these promotions. As a matter of fact, I'm going to read it to you just as they sent it to all of us. And so let's go do the screen share right there. But before I forget, when I get back from the Christmas holiday, where we're going to South America, my wife is already there. I had to stay and take care of some things. So I do have here in stock one iTeraCare Pro. I have one iTeraCare Premium, and I have 6 iTeraCare Classics, and I have 5 7 Wonders water bottles, and I have a few of the 7 Wonders cartridges that you need to change, those hydrogen ball cartridges. They need to be changed out. I do it every quarter of the year, so every 3 months. The instructions are, if you're doing 2 liters a day, to do that. So that's roughly how much of the pure hydrogen water I'm drinking a day, which is quite a bit. So here we go. Buy 1 classic, 1 ion shield, 1 7 Wonders, 6 EMF shield packages, 6 renew patch packages, or the 3 EMF shield, 3 renew patch package. Those are all what are called silver packages. And you'll get 1 ion shield for just $111, and you'll get 2 renew patch and 2 EMF shields included for free. Okay, that's a pretty good incentive offer. And I'll show you where these offers are. Now, the next promotion is the gold package. Buy 1 iTera premium device, or 1 Bio Lite, or 3 classic iTeraCare devices, the red one. And you will get 1 classic for just $222 more, and plus free 2 renew patch packages and 2 EMF shield packages. Okay, so you can always stop the video and read over all of this again. And then the final one is the diamond. And for people that are going to engage in the business, the bonuses are drastically better when you go from silver up to gold, up to diamond. So I was blessed to be able to come in as a silver, and I was able to, with my sponsors' help, get up to diamond. Now, when I can help people do that also on my team, I do it. It just depends on the circumstances. So the diamond package, buy one iTera Pro blower, and that's the Rolls-Royce Prife International genuine iTeraCare, because there's a whole bunch of stuff on the market today that you have no idea if it even generates TeraHertz waves. So you got to be careful. Prife is the leader in this iTeraCare TeraHertz wave technology for your wellness. Or you buy one iTeraBio full-scale foot massager that has all 10 features. The iTeraBio Lite's very effective, but it does not have 2 of the features, and I won't waste any time on that. It's not that important. If I had the choice, I would definitely go Pro, because you're going to earn the most money in Prife International. All right. So when you buy either the iTeraCare Pro blower or the iTeraBio foot massager, you will get, for just $333 more, one premium device. Now that premium sells for $1,140 in the US. And so that's $700 plus off the price of a premium device. And you'll get a free 2 Renew patches and 2 MEF Shield patches. Okay, this promo, this is your terms and conditions. I'm just reading on the bottom. This promo is open to USA members only. Promotion period runs from 8th of December to the 31st of December. Prife International reserves the right to amend or change without prior notice. Must be shipped to the same address, or you will have to pay additional shipping fees. All right, so let me go off of screen share and come back to you. And what I want to stress is that you're getting quite a bit of value for just a few dollars more, especially that diamond package. My gosh, getting over $750 something plus in savings on getting that premium. So if you're thinking about wellness for your family for the holiday, I can help you do that. On Telegram, you can call me for free. We can video call. We can text and chat for free. My SMS in South America, sometimes it just doesn't work. Oftentimes I get back from Europe or South America and I've got a whole bunch of SMS text messages. But if you want to reach me, you can always email me too. Daniel@iTeraCareHealthBlower.com. And other parts of the world have had some Christmas promotions going on. So I'm not exactly sure right at this minute when I'm doing this video if the similar packages are getting released in the other parts of the world. I know that right this minute, the EU still has a promotion on as well. Now, I can do business all over the world, and I train my people. So if you want to work with me, by all means, come and join us. So I've pulled up my website. So now I'm going to go back to share screen, and I'm just going to pull up. This is my independent website for marketing the Prife products. So iTeraCareHealthBlower.com. Okay, you can always hit that contact button right there, and I list all of the information right here. And if you do the contact form here, the capital of England is London. Okay, I've had questions come in. Somebody didn't know what that was. So London is London, and then hit submit. This helps me cut down on spam bots. So I show the differences in all of the devices on my landing page here. And then I have USA prices because I've got probably an even balance of international versus USA based um, customers. So that being said, so there you can buy from my website. And so let's stop sharing. And I want to wish everyone a joyous holiday and Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. And I look forward to helping you in Prife International. And I'm out of stock on negative ion pennants. I had a customer buy the last two I have today, and so I'm shipping those right now. However, I can get those ion shields, which are wonderful electronic masks, I've heard some people call them. And evidently, there's some kind of new pneumonia or viruses going on. I strongly teach on danielparsonsministry.com about supercharging your body with plant-based foods. I'm not against eating meat. Every now and then, we might have a little bit of wild Alaska salmon, but for the most part, we're all plant-based. And this way, those plants supercharge your body. There's some things in there. I've got a health series that you can get for free, 30 days of health tips. Start your day drinking warm lemon water. This will help detoxify your liver, which is filtering your blood, and that's very important. So here's my disclaimers. I'm not a medical provider. I don't treat, cure, prevent any disease or illness. And I have FDA disclaimers on all of my websites. And I am not a medical provider. And I'm also selling in-home therapy devices. You do not have to have any special certifications to sell personal in-home therapy devices. Do not use any of the iTeraCare blowers or the foot massager on any area of your body that has metal. It's just common sense. You don't want any metal anywhere near a blood vessel that might possibly rupture that blood vessel from heating it up if it's touching metal. So that's just common sense. So there, I've given all my disclaimers. Once again, God bless you. And until I talk to you again from South America. Bye for now.